Things are heating up there for Mkhululi the case as we are all still waiting for Khulekani to come back from Nhlalakahle. The new Mkhululi ascends the throne on Friday the 1st of November 2024. Ndlovu continues with his tricks of trying to get into the throne and be the new Mkhululi. Well, his endgame is not yet clear, but in his process of being the new Mkhululi, he supported Nomkhosi when she said that she wants to Thugo, Khulekani's son, to be the new Mkhululi of Amajudia Kangozi. This came after Nomkhosi realized that Khulekani is not coming back, so since he's not coming back, Nomkhosi wants to reserve the throne for her son, which is a bit confusing because she gave up to Spamali and apologized to him, so it's really not clear as to why she doesn't give up and accept that she was mistaken for believing that Khulekani is the rightful heir to the throne as Mkhululi. On the Friday episode, Ndlovu takes him to Thugo to cleanse him so that he can be the new Mkhululi, and Ndlovu did all of that without getting consent from Nomkhosi. As a result, Nomkhosi was fuming with anger that Ndlovu did all of this without her as Thugo's mom. But Ndlovu went back to Nomkhosi and Mom Zobe and apologized about all of that. And early teasers of this week showed us that Thugo will ascend the throne this week as the new Mkhululi. Well, it's not clear as to how long this new Mkhululi plot is going to last. And November teasers show us that Khulekani is going to come back dead from Nhlalakahle, which means the church goes back to Spamandla. But then we're going to have to keep on watching Mkhululi the case to see how this whole storyline unfolds. Meanwhile, comment in the comment section, share your own thoughts and opinions about Thugo ascending the throne to be the new Mkhululi of Amajudia. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Please like this video if you enjoyed content, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos here on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.